You have to make sure that the 8 ball is in the center and the ball at the top of the rack is on the dot. The big thing is you want to make sure that the balls are racked really solid and tight together. What you want to do to rack is to push the balls tight together with your fingers and make sure there's no gap, especially in between the 2 balls below the top. So the break shots, you have to place the white ball behind the line. As you can see, is in between the 2 dots. The break cue is approximately the similar size as opposed to a playing cue, but the tip of the break cue is from a harder material which allows to break more efficiently. My goal here is to aim into the top of the ball, and from my prior knowledge, I will try to have either one of the balls potted in the middle pocket or going into the corner pockets. The break is predictable once you put work and much repetition to it. But now all I will be trying to do is to shoot the top of the ball and hopefully avoid my white ball from going into the pocket. The thing with breaking is you can move your body and extend your arms to have more power in the break, though this should not be done other than a break. Obviously the break is very important. The break should be a powerful shot and could be held with the use of your arms, back leg and the body as well. Another factor to a great break is to have a fast stroke rather than a slow one.